All right, guys, welcome. Right in front of you are my magnification devices. Right here is my digital microscope, and then all these are magnifiers. And the reason that I have them and am showing this to you because they make they make important factors to determining that the coins that you have are legitimate and to also help look for varieties in the coins. Now, I'm not sure about your eyesight, but my eyesight is not perfect and I don't have a what do you call it? Enhanced enlargement vision. So, like for example, there are some coins that are the size of dimes, very small, but you know, I can't see the certain details or read some of the text that's in or on the dime. So with the magnification, I am able to see and read the text and detail of the dime. For me, the reason I have these magnification devices is they're a great source to look for varieties and errors in the coins. Like I said, from just your normal eyes, you're not you won't be able to see those details. And then to mention also is when I purchase coins, like for example from eBay, and I see what's in the photos, I want to be able to verify that it is the exact same coin that I purchased with all the markings and details that made the coin that I purchased legitimate. So there it is, guys. Another thing that I want to point out is, yeah, you see these regular common magnifiers, like this one here too. These are only 2 to 3 times zoom or magnifier. You don't really want to use these because 2 to 3 times zoom is not that well. You want to get something at least right here is 10 times zoom. I got a 40 times zoom, a 60 times zoom, and a 30 times magnifier. My apologies, I said zoom, but it's not zoom, it's magnification. So you want to get at least a 10 times magnification, and then the more the better, of course. Like this one right here is a 60 times magnification. It's small, compact, and it has a built-in light, as you can see. And then my digital microscope is great. It's 250 times magnification, and yeah, I'm able to see all the details that you know, want to see or I am searching to see. But there it is, guys. These magnification devices are very important factors into coin collecting and searching for different varieties. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.